If you want to delete your Likee account, then this video is for you. First, you just need to tap on Likee account application, then go to the profile at the bottom right corner. Then from here, tap on the three dot button at the top right corner. Now tap on settings. Now at the very beginning, you will find account, tap on it, and from here you will find the delete account option. You can tap on it to delete your account. So here you can see you have to verify and continue to the deletion process. You have to tap on verify, and from here that all the information about your account, that to delete your account all of the following condition must be met. So your account must be secure, your account no longer amounts of unconsumed or unwithdrawn assets in the account, it is a non-official or verified creator account, the account is not currently involved in any project or disputes. If you have subscription service on Likee, please go to iTunes store to manage your subscriptions. Now tap on continue. Now you just need to tap on this agreement. Now tap on this dot button here, simply that you give the statement that you are agree with their agreement. So tap on this delete button and you can just tap on confirm deletion, and it will simply delete your Likee account easily. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching.